How to fix friend request not sending on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen. Search apps. Click on apps and notification. Then click on Facebook. After you click on Facebook, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Force stop the app, then click on Storage and Cache, which is below Permission. Clear cache and clear storage. After you do that, you can simply restart your device. After restarting your device, simply open the app, log into your account, and you're good to go. This is how to fix friend request not sending on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.